Failed breaks can create powerful reversal setups. If a bullish breakout doesn't follow through, that's bearish. If a bearish breakout doesn't follow through, that is bullish. In both cases, it suggests that traders who chased the break got trapped. As the market retraces, those trapped positions become the fuel for the reversal. So what does that look like in practice? So you can see here that the market broke above this key level, the prior all-time high. And on the low time frames, it looked especially convincing. You can see here we had a break above that old all-time high level, and we had multiple low time frame closes. But there was no follow-through. The sellers stepped in and this rally ended up failing. So traders will call this a failed break, absorption, SFPs, deviations. It's all really the same thing. When price fails to find acceptance above or below a key level, it often signals a reversal. So here's how you can trade them in 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is use the high time frame. There's generally going to be fewer fakeouts and clearer signals. So you can see here on the H12, while we did have a close above that level, we also ended up putting in an SFP. This is a sign of weakness, a sign of potential reversal. Step number 2 is to see if the market is losing momentum. Pay attention. Again, this can be an early sign of failure. Once we see that H12 SFP, we can zoom in and we can see that momentum is stalling out here. We have a 3 drives pattern. Very good chance if you were to use a momentum indicator like the RSI, you would see that momentum waning. And then step number 3, you want to wait for a decisive move back through the key level before flipping your buys and taking the reversal setup. So in this instance, we have the waning momentum, we have the SFP, and once we get a decisive move back through the level, I would say this is arguably pretty decisive. It broke structure to the downside, very powerful move. We're now looking for reasons to sell using something like this supply zone to catch the reversal. And that's it. That's how you can trade traps at a key level. Go check out your charts and see if you can find some yourself. Make sure you follow Kraken Pro for more of these tips.